Hi, this is the help video for Access Chapter 12, Problem Solve 1. This is the first video. So what I've done is I have downloaded the instruction file. So we're going to automate tasks in the Putts for Paws database. I have downloaded the database, and we're going to look at the description of what we're going to do here. So Putt for Paws is an annual charity event that takes place at the Painted Paradise Golf Resort and Spa and raises money for local animal shelters. So we have been working with this all semester. So you've been asked to enhance their current database by creating macros that will improve the database's efficiency and functionality. So I have already downloaded and enabled, so I have crossed out step number 1. So let's read what step number 2, 3, let's see, really 2 through 7. We're going to create a macro that will import the data contained in this Excel file. We're going to import it to the table participant table. We're going to put a comment. We're going to put a message box. We're going to say, yes, we want a beep. The title is importing participants. And we're going to do the import, saving it as MCR import new participants. So let's start walking through it. So we begin this macro, since it's not really attached to anything like on click or a button. We're going to start it by doing our create macro. First thing we're going to do is show all actions, and then I'm going to hide this action catalog right now. So the first thing we're going to do is add a comment, right? That's where we always begin, so you know what this is. So this macro imports the list of new participants into the TBL participant table, period. And I spelled it wrong. Participant table. All right, so we have that done. Next thing is add a message box. So we're going to come here to the new action, and we're going to do, they're in alphabetic order. There it is, message box. Brings up all of our little helps. So the message is, you are about to import new participants into the participant table, period. We want it to beep. The type of, sorry, I actually accidentally hit help there. Type is informational. So information. And then the title is importing participants for the title. Okay, so we did this. We did that. And we did this part. So add the set warnings action to the macro and select no. So we're going to come back here, and we want to find set warning, and we're going to say no. So we have that. So that's going to we're not going to get any kind of warning while we're doing the import. So now we're going to import, export spreadsheets, right? So I found that right here. Select import for transfer. So we have import, Excel workbook. Table is TBL participant. So that's where it's going to be imported to. And then in the file name, type the path, and at the end, put this on. So I'm going to go file name. I'm going to bring up my folder that has my file. I'm going to click on my address bar. It's going to change to a path. I'm going to do a Control-C, come back, and do a Control-V. It's going to paste that path in, backslash, and then I'm going to type this. I'll actually select it so I don't have to type it. Okay, so that's the name of the file. So you have to go grab this part from wherever you downloaded it. We do have field names as the first row, so we're good there. So now this statement is going to import this file and put the results in this participant table. So we want to save this as MCR import new participants. Okay, run the macro, close the macro, and verify. So here's what I'm going to do before I do that. I'm going to come over here to participant table. I have 33. Number 61 is my last one, Tim. So I'm going to save this and run it. There's my message box, and don't know if it worked. So let's go over to my participant table, and now I have 48, and here's Tim. That was my last one. So all of these were imported. So it did work. So we're good there. So I'm going to stop this video at this point and start the next one at step 8, where we're creating a new macro. Thank you.